Hello, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite features of Midjourney tool is Describe. So you're going to go to the Organize section and then click on one of, for example, these are variations that I generated. So I can right click on this image, for example, and click Describe image. And after that, I'm just going to go to the Create section. I already did that one, but okay. So here, Midjourney gives us 4 different describes prompts from this image. And how is this useful? Well, for starters, you have a well-structured prompt. You can then edit, take out anything you don't want, or just leave it as is. So you just click on the prompt you think it's best. Click here, use prompt, and then enter. And now we will see an actual image being generated. What I don't see here on the Describe tool that before, like in the Discord you could do, is upload one of your images. For example, I use a lot of my own photos as input and then make variations of them. Right now, we're not really able to do that. Oh, I forgot to say that I have like mood boards activated, but that's for another video. So I'll just do the same prompt again and put off my mood boards and personalization, and let's see what we get. And that's the magic of Midjourney, really, that you can get really different results just by changing like this stylized number or your profiles, your mood boards, and I'll go into that in another video. This was just a really quick tutorial on how to use the Describe tool on the website. And as you can see, the same prompt was used and it's totally different results aside from the aspect ratio, obviously. But yeah, this is really different. Okay, so I hope you like this super quick tutorial and have a good day.